Hi, I'm Michael. I'm Vice President of Marketing at Corona POS, and I give Notion a 5 out of 5. Prior to Notion, we were using Monday. Monday served our purposes pretty well. It's a decent platform for task management and project management, but some of the user experience and tracking of different projects fell a little short. So we switched to Notion, and it's been great ever since. We decided to go with Notion. One, it has a great reputation online. Product reviews across the board are solid. Two, we had a few team members internally who used Notion just privately and really liked it. So made it a pretty easy decision. It was affordable to try out, and we stuck with it since. Getting started with Notion was remarkably easy. The onboarding process was simple. We were able to have a free trial just to make sure that we liked it. But then once going live, getting the information and projects started was quite easy on my end as the administrator. And then all of our users being able to navigate it themselves and update certain projects, add comments, attach files, anything like that. Super simple. So there was next to no learning curve. Before getting Notion for us, we had used a few different platforms for project and task management. All of them kind of came with slight hurdles and hiccups that, files weren't being attached correctly or, a project had been updated, somebody had made a comment, but, it didn't reflect properly. Um, so um, once we got Notion, tracking like all of our content production for our blog, tracking different tasks within the marketing department, tracking video production became a lot easier. So if anything, we just wish that we would have made the switch to Notion sooner.